Hey there, it's Cory Lewis with your Autoscope Minute. Today we're going to be talking Land Rover. So what happens is the push button on the backside of the shifter, which is all electronic, starts to get really floppy and this piece breaks off, and what it causes it to do is not allow it to push the internals of the switch to allow it to move out of gear. Land Rover, luckily, has come out with a repair kit that allows us just to go in and change this one piece so we can have our button functions back and be able to shift the vehicle without having to replace the entire expensive whole shifter assembly, which is what we had to do in the beginning. Thanks for watching the Autoscope Minute. I'm Cory Lewis. Until next time.